All right, welcome back to Andy Cooks. Bit of a different one this week. We're in the car and we are off to the airport to go to Melbourne for the weekend. So I'm going to do a bunch of work with one of my brand ambassadors, Saint Ali. So I've known Saint Ali for a long time as a customer, then I worked there, and now I'm a proud brand ambassador. So I'm going to go hang out there for a couple of days, drink some coffee, cook some food, and maybe get on the pass, which I haven't done in a while. So come along, bit of a travel vlog, a whole lot of food, and back to basically what is mine and Babe's second home. All right, it's I haven't got a watch on, it's 7:30ish a.m. on Saturday morning. We're at Saint Ali in South Melbourne. It's been a few years since I've been here. I'm a little bit nervous, to be honest, but let's go get amongst it and see what happens. Come on.
Look at my neck, right? I get that check, right? I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe. Off of that, what's that? I'm in that new coupe. Got bin fired. I get that check, right? Off of that. Look, hey, I don't do no fake love. Tell the brush shape up. The way we lit, they throwing shade, but they never say nothing. I'm that maze runner. I've been known to stay stunned. I drip on Blade Runner. The way we move, it ain't no creases on my A1s. 2021, about to be mine, word to my day ones. So you shooting blindside, I aim straight for the frames, huh? I don't take no L's, my boy, I learned from y'all mistakes, huh? I just love my rate, I made my way, get out of my lane, bruh. Now we got some traction, everything been so surreal. I'm trying to...
All right, well, it's about 8:45. This place gets mental at like 9 o'clock and it won't stop till 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna jump on the pass and see if I can keep up. We'll see how long I last until the chef kicks me off. Let's go.
I'm a real hitter with the wheels spinning, never stopping, I'm a boss. Yeah, top in the backseat, like a critic in the analytic, independent and we just beginning, clearing anybody interfering. Tough loss, keep it tucked off, something plush through the brush off, free spirit, make a trust fall, right? Look at my neck, right? I get that check, right? I'm so blessed, right? I get that jet.
You want a Royale with cheese, cuckoo, cachoon, Mexicans, and a pastrami toasty.
Fashion week, we touching Perry, yeah, that's necessary. Double cheeky, she speaking French, but I'm not understanding. Mom sent those flicks of my daddy that drip hereditary. Let him talk it like I ain't next, let me disprove that theory. I don't do pretend, I don't like percents. I'm not cool with friends and friends. I don't do the trends, I set them, I ain't like it. I can't do pretend. Double rope necklace make her wet, she jumping out of skin. The Brody almost caught her straight from round away on split decision. We treat now like all we got is the moments we in. Always want to keep it real. Lately I can't really tell if they about the things they saying or they say it just to sell. Ain't worry about no bill. Cause when you building what we build, you know we headed where the bread is. Got the squad up going with me. Subtle flex, I need that check, so a hype beast. Last year wasn't it, but now my life been moving light speed. I was down bad, but now we way up where them kites be. Flip that to a movie, I star in, same time I'm Spike Lee. I know they tight, I turn my life into they pipe dream. She say she wanna sightsee, let's start with what the night brings. Look at my neck, right? I get that check, right? I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side, I'm in that new coupe. Got bin fired, I said what I said, right? I get that check, right? I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that, what's that? I'm in that new coupe, got bin fired.
Well, that was the first time I've attempted to do a busy pass or pass at all since I've last worked here. Must be like 7 years ago now. And it's like riding a bike. It's not like riding a bike actually, it's quite the opposite. I was very out of practice. I felt like I had two left hams. I was definitely not fast enough, and as a result I removed myself from there pretty quickly before I completely stuffed that service up. So a big thanks to the boys in there who let me, entertain me for a while. But it's crazy how fast things happen in these kitchens. So I leave one of these cafe restaurants, and that is just relentless. The services don't stop. They start cranking on at like 9 o'clock, and they literally don't stop until they kind of finish at about 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon, and the tickets do not stop coming. It's super relentless. So I take my hats off to these guys that do this stuff day in, day out. But I'm certainly pretty match unfit at the moment. So anyway, we got a reservation at a restaurant called Gimlet tonight, me and Babe, so that should be a bit of fun. And I might try and see if I can jump on the machine and make a coffee as well for a laugh. But that was fun. But yeah, I don't miss it that much. And no trip to Melbourne would be complete without a trip to Chinatown. Let's go. We're here at a dumpling place called Shandong Mama in Melbourne City. Another one of our favourite spots, which are famous for their fried mackerel dumplings, and then we've got some boiled pork and shrimp ones. Honestly, these dumplings are some of the best in Melbourne. So I'm going to put my camera down and enjoy them. But thank you very much for watching this week's episode. I know it was probably slightly unusual to my normal stuff lately. So back to the regular content next week. If you like this episode, please chuck me a like, subscribe if you're not, and we'll see you next Sunday for another recipe. Peace. I just tied the knot linked to the game, she got a pill. I'm much more concerned with how my time about to rebuild. Need a couple meal tickets in my pocket to the